Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing. And if you have subscribed already, please consider liking and commenting because your feedback is important to me. Today we are making Kashmiri Masala chicken, which is an absolutely delicious recipe. So stay tuned. As the name suggests, Kashmiri Masala chicken is a recipe that originated in Kashmir, India, and is definitely one that you want to try. And this recipe has been brought down many generations in my family, and today I'm sharing it with you, so I hope you enjoy it and definitely try it at home. So my friends, let's get started. So for the Kashmiri Masala chicken, I'm going to start by washing and cleaning off all the fat from 1 kg of leg quarters. To this, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of fine salt. Then I'm going to mix this all together. And look at this amazing color that it has. I'm going to leave this to marinate for 1 hour. So in this deep base pot, I've added in 1 cup of mustard oil, and then we're going to quickly fry our chicken pieces that we had marinated earlier. I'm going to place all the chicken pieces into the pot, and you can hear it already sizzling. And we're going to quick fry this for about 5 minutes on either side. And remember to fry this only 5 minutes on either side. Once you've fried it on 5 minutes on either side, we're going to remove it from the pot and place it back into the bowl that it was marinating in. So it's almost like it's half cooked. In the same pot that we fried the chicken in, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter ghee. So that's 1. And that's another. Wait for the butter ghee to melt and then add in 2 medium-sized onions that were finely chopped. And then wait until the onions have braised. Once the onions have braised slightly, I'm going to add in to the pot half a teaspoon of fine salt, 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, two teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Give this a quick mix. Now I'm going to add in my chicken pieces. After adding in the chicken pieces, add in 1 cup of water. Add in 1 cup of fresh cream, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And remember that tomato paste is actually thicker than tomato puree, so make sure you use the correct ingredient. Give this a quick mix. Close the pot lid and allow this to simmer for about 15 minutes. Once the chicken starts simmering like so, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and then just give it a quick toss again. Then we're going to leave this for another 15 minutes, and you're going to wait until most of the water has dried out. And once all the water has dried out, this is how lovely and creamy the dish ends up looking like. And look at what a beautiful red color it has as well. And we're now ready to serve this. I'm going to add in my chicken pieces first into my serving platter. And this actually smells so good. To garnish this, I'm going to add in some coriander leaves and some saffron. And here's another recipe that is done. I hope you're going to try this at home. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until the next vlog, happy cooking!